Hello dear students, welcome to the ninth chapter of economics, people as a resource. Students, here people as a resource means real strength of the country. It means skills, knowledge and efforts. It means investment in education, health and training. So with the help of education, health and training, people becomes resource. Students, today we are going to take the topic of unemployment. What is unemployment? It means a situation when people lacks of working opportunities. It spread poverty and hunger. You can see in this picture looking for a job. When the person is able, qualified, and he is willing to do the work, yet he is not getting the work, this condition is called unemployment. Looking for a job, this is the unemployment. Now see students, there are two types of the unemployment. First is urban and second is rural. शहरी और ग्रामीण. In urban areas, there are two types of unemployment found: open and educated. Here, open unemployment means unemployment arising due to lack of opportunities to work. However, people are ready to work on a given wage rate. खुली बेरोजगारी क्या होती है कि जब उन अवसरों की कमी हो जिसमें लोग काम करने के लिए तैयार हैं. आफ्टर दैट एजुकेटेड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. You can see in the picture also, here man is saying, I need a job. When literate people do not find a suitable job, it requires dignified job which is available to a limited extent. जब पढ़े लिखे लोगों को सूटेबल जॉब नहीं मिलती है because they are available to a limited extent. Educated person दूसरे कार्य करने के लिए तैयार जल्दी नहीं होते हैं. They want the respectable job. That's why they remain unemployment. And this educated unemployment is threat to the nation. Second one is rural. It is also of two types, seasonal and disguised. मौसमी और छिपी हुई बेरोजगारी. Seasonal, as you can see, such an employment exists in the agriculture sector. For example, after sowing wheat in the month of November-December, people are free till harvesting season, that is the month of April. ये बेरोजगारी कृषि में पाई जाती है जब एक ही परिवार के लोग खेतों में काम करते हैं, बुआई, कटाई और निराई के समय उन्हें काम मिलता है, बाकी महीने वो बेकार रहते हैं. So this kind of unemployment is called seasonal employment. Next is disguised, छिपी हुई बेरोजगारी. This is also found in agriculture sector when some extra family workers are employed as compared to actual requirement. It creates disguised unemployment. For example, 8 family members are working on a 10-acre farm as against the requirement of 5 workers. Then 3 workers are disguisedly unemployed. It is the result of overpopulation in the country. जब एक ही परिवार के 8 व्यक्ति एक खेत में काम करते हैं जबकि उसमें ज़रूरत 5 की होती है, तो 3 सदस्य जो हैं वो छिपी हुई बेरोजगारी के अंतर्गत आते हैं. अगर हम उन्हें उस काम से हटाकर किसी और कार्य में लगा दें, then we can get output more. And this happens as a result of the overpopulation. So in this way, students, we have seen that what is unemployment and what are the types of unemployment. Now the question arises, how we can eradicate this problem. Education system should be made more practical and effective, and education should be made job oriented. So in this way we can remove this problem. Education should be made job oriented, and education system should be made more practical and effective. In this way, every nation can overcome this problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.